Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can clear Safari history and website data on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and from here, tap on Safari. Now in Safari, scroll down and then tap on Clear History and Website Data. Next in here, you got different sections that you can set. So for clear time frame, you can choose to clear data or clear the history in the last hour, today and yesterday, or history. Now you can choose clear for profile, which profile you want to clear it for, all profiles, your personal profile, work profile, or school profile. So if you want, you can choose for all profiles. And then down here on the last option is the additional options. You can choose to close all the tabs after you have cleared the history. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And then proceed to tap on the clear history button. And that clears all your history in your selected time frame. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.